U-23 katanat sports ka Jylla uba Wailadmiki hak arkandai trik Jylium. Ula ong baka sorkar Jylla ka burom yakarai balashim da ka Meghalaya Cricket Association MCA. Hakabaya David ka jingshah le kynshlein ki thei ialehkai cricket under 23 ka Jylla. Da ka ba ong ru baya ka nikarai lashim hadin bala penong ya ka jingto kit ka babanya. Hakabaning kong ya ka nikakam lakmi da ka MCA. Bat hadir na shimti da ka Women's Commission ong uba Wailan. U-23 ulapan pau ya ka jinglong light luat jungi kinhuan penyai cricket hai kiba kum kini kikam. Ka BCCI ni MCA na kabenta ka thei ki tre kum ka kinhuan ka balai luat. Ka bakhambun ka jingkarshan pisa bat barok ki jingdon kam ki wan na ka BCCI ula ong habakran Syllad pathai kubar. Kum ka sorkar ni burom ya ka rai jongki. Ngilayo iru bakila le ela ka kamram ka badai bat la penlong ru ya ka jing tokin bat ka kai phot bakila ai ka longben hadien bala dep an penlong ya ka jing tokin ula ong nasngo bakila le ela ka jong ka benta ka rai bala shim ka longkat kum ka jinglap ka jongki benrap U-23.
You see, because more or less this issue, no doubt at first is already taken care by the MCA, and later on it's went to the Women Commission as well. So definitely, more or less, like as you all know, that this BCCI or MCA for that matter, more or less they are working as a kind of autonomous body. So majorly because the funding and everything majorly is coming from the BCCI. So that's why I think most of the decision also we like as a government we respect, and we also that we see that the due diligence has done, the inquiry has been put, and I think based the report which they have given is purely after the inquiry, and also I think from my point of view, I feel that I think they have done their part. So definitely I think the decision taken is based on their finding.